Hello my dear students and welcome to the new lesson. So in previous lesson we have learnt about the two type of if statement, which is the simple if statement and the if else statement. So if you have a single choice, then you have to use the simple if statement, and if you are having the two choices among which single statement want to be executed, then we will use the if else statement. But in many situations or in many problems, so it can be possible that after checking a single condition you have to check one another condition. सो ऐसे हो सकता है कि अगर एक कंडीशन चेक होने से काम नहीं बनता है. सो इफ द वन कंडीशन इज ट्रू, देन अगेन यू हैव टू चेक वन अनदर कंडीशन. So in that case you have to include one if statement within the another if statement, like this. So see how the nested if statement is there, or it is written in the program. So here format of the nested if is like this. So if condition 1, so any condition will be there, and according to condition, if this condition is true, then if again I want to check another condition, then I will be using another if within this if. So this will be the second condition, and this, so this is the complete format of the nested if. So I'll write the first complete syntax, and after that I will explain you. So see, this is a nested if syntax, or this is how the nested if statement is written. So if condition 1, so firstly this condition will be checked or it will be evaluated. If this condition is true, of course if condition is true, then this block will be executed. So that means if condition is true, control will be executed, or control will be inside this if, and this complete statement or this complete block will be executed. So if this condition is true. But if this condition is false, then control will transfer to the else part of this if statement. So अगर condition false है तो control directly कहा जाएगा आपके else के बाद में, if this condition is false. So see here, a complete if else is within another if statement. So एक if statement completely आता है दूसरे if statement के अंदर. So that type of statement is called as nested if. So इसका नाम भी बताता है what is nest. Nest means घोंसला, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है. So similarly the complex structure of if statement, जिसमें if के अंदर if, उसके भी अंदर if, यहाँ पे मैंने नेस्टिंग सिर्फ 2 लेवल तक की है. आप ये इफ़ के अंदर भी तीसरा इफ़ ले सकते हो. सो जैसे नेस्टिंग बढ़ता है वैसे कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ती है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज द नेस्टेड इफ़ स्टेटमेंट. सो आप यहीं पे देख रहे हो नंबर ऑफ ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग ब्रेसेस है, लेकिन अगर आप अच्छे से ध्यान रखते हो कहाँ पे ओपनिंग और कहाँ पे क्लोजिंग है, देन यू कैन ईजीली चेक द कंप्लीट इफ एल्स स्टेटमेंट. सो हियर this if statement, if else statement, is outer if statement, and this if else statement is the inner if statement. So to better understand this if statement, we will take one example, and using that example I will be explaining you the program for that. So let us consider the example where I want to print the greatest number from 3 numbers. So consider करो आपके पास 3 numbers हैं, let it be A, B and C. So A, B और C में से जो greatest number है वो मुझे क्या करना है, print करना है. So obviously firstly I will check the numbers, 2 numbers. Suppose I will check the values of A and B. So firstly we will check the condition A is greater than B. So if you want to use of, or if a problem is very complex, then firstly you have to draw the flow chart and then only you can write the program. You cannot write the program directly if the program is very complex or if the logic is very complex. So that's why I am starting with the flow chart here. So if A is greater than B, so यहाँ पे दो flows होंगे, either yes or no. That means A greater than B हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता. So what to be done if A is greater than B? A अगर B से बड़ा है तो you cannot say that कि A is greater than ABC. So A अगर B से बड़ा है तो you have to check A with C also. So अगर yes है, अगर इसकी value yes है, that means if A greater than B is true, then you have to check once again the value of A with C. So that means if this condition is true, then again we will check this condition, that is A greater than C. So if A greater than C is yes, so अगर A अब C से बड़ा है, so of course that means A is greater. So in that case I'll print the value of A. और अगर नहीं है, so if A greater than C नहीं है, so नहीं है इसका मतलब देखो A B से बड़ा है लेकिन A C से बड़ा नहीं है, that means C will be greater. So for no part of this A greater than C will be print C. So this is all about the yes part of A greater than B. ये complete हो गया आपका A greater than B है तो क्या करना है. So अगर अब suppose A greater than B नहीं है, A की वैल्यू बड़ी नहीं है, so that means we are left with only two values, that is B and C. So that means if this condition is no, then I will again be checking values B and C. So मुझे क्या करना है, फिर दो नंबर बचे हैं तो दो को चेक करेंगे. If B is greater than C, so again if B is greater than C का yes पार्ट हो सकता है और no पार्ट हो सकता है. So अगर yes है, that if B greater than C, so that means B will be greater. So if yes part of this will print B. But if B greater than C नहीं है, B greater than C नहीं है, मैंने B बड़ा नहीं है और इधर A भी कट गया, A B से बड़ा नहीं है और B C से बड़ा नहीं है. So that means now C is greater. So अगर ये कंडीशन नो है तो यहाँ पे हमने ऑलरेडी प्रिंट C लिखा है, so यहाँ पे ही ज्वाइन करते हैं और अदरवाइज यू कैन राइट अनदर स्टेटमेंट प्रिंट C. So this is about, so see, this is the flow chart for printing the greatest number from three numbers. So let us check this flow chart whether it will return or whether it will print the greatest value or not. So consider the value of A is 10, B is 20 and C is 30. So 10 greater than B, no, so no यानी इधर. B greater than C, that is 20 greater than 30, no, so no यानी कंट्रोल यहाँ पे जाएगा. क्या प्रिंट होगा आपकी C की वैल्यू, that means 30 will be displayed. कंसिडर करो ये बड़ा है. Okay. Now suppose values are 10, 200, 30. So 10 greater than 200, no, 10 greater than 200 नहीं है तो इधर. Now B greater than C, that means 200 greater than 30, yes, 200 greater than 30. So yes part will be there, print B. So that means 200 will be displayed. So this is actually the logic to print the greatest from three numbers. अगर आप इसको सही से आप खुद भी बना सकते हो फ्लो चार्ट. सो इट इज़ एक्चुअली द कॉमन सेंस जो भी आपने अभी तक पढ़ा है, सो उसको यूज़ करके ही आपको फ्लो चार्ट लिखना है. इट इज़ ओनली द लॉजिक, इट इज़ नॉट अबाउट द प्रोग्राम. सो अब आपको इस फ्लो चार्ट को देख के अब आपको बनाना होता है आपका प्रोग्राम, जिसमें अब हमको लगेगा नेस्टेड इफ, क्योंकि एक इफ कंडीशन के अंदर ये कंडीशन अगर ट्रू है तो फिर से मुझे कंडीशन चेक करनी है दूसरी. सो इफ ए ग्रेटर देन बी के अंदर फिर से और एक कंडीशन होगी, दैट विल बी इफ ए ग्रेटर देन सी. and now we will be using the nested if for this program or for this example. So let us write the program. I will not write the complete program here. I am just writing this logic using the nested if statement. So we will be doing the same program on the compiler itself. So firstly, the condition will be if A is greater than B. So if this condition is true, so in the true part, within the opening brace, within the true part, I have to check the next condition. So that is if A is greater than C. So if A is greater than C, अगर ये है, so that means if this is yes, then I have to print the value of A. So after that, printf A. So ये खत्म हो गया, A greater than C का yes part खत्म हो गया. So closing brace. After that इसका A greater than C का no part. So that means इस if का else part. A greater than C नहीं है तो क्या करना है, यानी A greater than C का no part है, print C, printf C. सो एल्स भी खत्म हो गया, यानी ये वाला पार्ट खत्म हो गया. कौन सा, इफ ए ग्रेटर देन सी, कंप्लीट इज ओवर. सो दिस पार्ट इज ओवर नाउ. सो ये हो गया आपका इफ ए ग्रेटर देन सी कंप्लीट. अब यहाँ पे आपका ये इफ भी कंप्लीट होता है. सो दैट मीन्स दिस कंप्लीट पार्ट इज एंडेड विद दिस क्लोजिंग ब्रेस. ये इफ कंप्लीट हो गया, ए ग्रेटर देन बी का इफ पार्ट कंप्लीट हो गया, यस पार्ट कंप्लीट हो गया. नाउ वी विल गो विद द एल्स पार्ट. सो एल्स के बाद में यहाँ पे फिर से एक कंडीशन चेक की है. दैट मीन्स आफ्टर एल्स अगेन वी विल बी हैविंग वन इफ. सो दिस इफ इज नाउ इफ बी ग्रेटर देन सी. So if b greater than c is there, I have to print the value of b. So here I am writing directly the printf function here. So printf b. So if b greater than c is yes, then value of b will be printed, and else part of this. So I can write directly else here also. So instead of writing else here, I am using else here. So else part में है आपका c की वैल्यू प्रिंट करना है. So else printf c. And now we have ended with the else part also. So ये else part भी आपका खत्म हो गया. This is the nested if for printing the greatest number from 3 numbers. So let us run this complete program on our C compiler. So now let us see the program to print greatest from 3 numbers. Previously I have just explained about the nested if statement. So of course to write the complete program we have to follow the program structure. So in which we will be requiring 3 variables which I have taken as variables A, B and C. So a message will be displayed, that is enter 3 numbers, and with this scanf function 3 values will be inputted. 3 वैल्यू scanf से क्या होंगी, आपकी इनपुट होंगी जो कि वेरिएबल A, B और C में स्टोर होंगी. So this nested if statement I have already explained you. So same statement that I have explained you I have written here also. So let us run the program and see what the output will be. So see, this is the output. So enter 3 numbers. So you have to input any 3 numbers. Suppose I enter the values as 45, 88 and 48. So that means value of A is now 45, B is 88 and C is value 48. So here firstly this condition, first condition will be checked, that is A greater than B, 45 greater than 88. No, this condition is false. So as this condition is false, control will be after the else statement. So control else statement के बाद में जाएगा और this condition will be checked, that is B greater than C. So B greater than C, that is 88 greater than 48. So yes, this condition is now true. So hence the statement after if will be executed, that is value of B, here value of B will be displayed, that is 88 is greatest will be displayed. So let us see what the output is. So see here, the output is 88 is greatest. So means if I here I have inputted value B as greatest. So let us run the same program for another inputs. So see here, I input value of A is now greater. Suppose I input value of 78, 66 and 12. So here value of A is 78, B is 66 and C is 12. So here first condition will be checked, that is A greater than B, 78 greater than 66. Yes, this condition is true. So as this condition is true, control will be inside if statement, and again there will be another condition now, A greater than C. So that means 78 greater than 12. So yes, this condition is also true. So therefore this statement, that is A is greatest, will be displayed. So therefore the output here will be 78 is greatest. So see here, the output is 78 is greatest. So in this way, whatever value you give or whatever values you input to the program, it will print the greatest number from the three numbers. So now let us give C as the greatest number. Suppose I input the program again. Suppose now I enter the value as 11, 66 and 99. So that means value of A is 11, B is 66 and C is 99. So here first condition, that is 11 greater than 66. So condition is false. First condition is false. So therefore control will be after else statement. So control will be here. Now the second condition, that is B greater than C, 66 greater than 99. So this condition is false. So this, as this condition is false, control will be after this else, and hence the output will be C is greatest, value of C is greatest, that is output will be 99 is greatest. So see the output here. So see 99 is greatest. So अब यहाँ पे आपको अगर आप अच्छे से ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं तो C is greatest दो बार आता है. This here is also C is greatest, here is also C is greatest, लेकिन दोनों भी बार अलग अलग टाइम पे एग्जीक्यूट होंगे. So this C is greatest, this statement will be executed if value of A is greater than B. यानी A की वैल्यू अगर B से बड़ी है तो ये वाला एग्जीक्यूट होगा, और अगर A की वैल्यू लेस देन B है तो this C is greatest will be displayed. So we will run the program again for this C is greatest should be displayed or this message should be displayed. So suppose मैंने वैल्यू एंटर कर दी 45, 21 and 56. So suppose here I input the value as value of A is 45, B is 21 and C is 56. So now here A is greater than B condition will be checked. 45 is greater than 21, yes. So condition is true. So true, therefore control will be transferred here inside if statement. And now condition will be checked, that is A greater than C. 45 greater than 56. So now the condition become false, and then this printf, that is C is greatest, will be displayed, that is 56 is greatest will be displayed. So इस समय अभी ये हमारा C is greatest डिस्प्ले हुआ है. So suppose मैं सेम प्रोग्राम दूसरे वैल्यूज़ के लिए रन करती हूँ. सपोज मैंने A की वैल्यू छोटी दी है और B की वैल्यू बड़ी दी है, C की वैल्यू उससे भी बड़ी दी है. नाउ सी 12 greater than 55, 12 greater than 55, no, condition is false. So as condition is false, control will be after else. यहाँ पे जाएगा B greater than C चेक करेगा, that is 55 greater than 89. No, this condition is false and therefore C is greatest. ये वाला डिस्प्ले होगा, ये C is greatest, that is 89 is greatest will be displayed. So दो बार लिखा है C is greatest, but दोनों भी अलग अलग समय एग्जीक्यूट होगा. So this is how the nested if statement will work. So this is all for now. In the next lesson, we will be coming up with new learnings. Thank you.